Alright, this is going to be the elevator here at the Best Western here in Auburndale, Florida. It's a KONE Ecodisc with KSS 370. Now the one indicator is burned out, but we'll get a cab view. Kind of very basic KONE elevator for your low-end hotel. These are your KSS 370 buttons. Those buttons are replaced with KSS 500. Phone down there. Back up to 3. There's your dead floor indicator. And you're going to go back up to 3. Watch the button go out. Here we're back at 3. That call cancel button see better days. The up and down lanterns work though, so that's a plus. Right there is your certificate. Not sure when this elevator was installed, probably sometime late 2000s, early 2010s, somewhere in that time frame. Anyways, there goes the elevator, and that'll be it.